Hello all, welcome to session 127. In this session, I am going to practically demonstrate how to drag and drop using mouse in Selenium Python. So let's get started. First of all, I'll take you to the sample application URL page. In any browser, I'll open the sample application URL page. On this application URL page, you see here we have capitals, here we have countries. So using my mouse, I want to drag this Oslo capital onto the country Norway like this. Okay, I want to automate this process, guys. So how to do that? For that, I'll open this PyCharm ID where we have this Python file having some sample Selenium automation code, which is already written for opening the Chrome browser, for maximizing the browser window, and for taking you to this application URL page like this. Once you are taken to this application URL page like this, using my mouse, I want to drag this Oslo onto Norway. Okay. So for that, we have to first create an object for the predefined class in Selenium Python known as action chains. Action chains. So it's a predefined class in Selenium Python. Hover the mouse on action chains and import this action chains from Selenium library and assign it to an object reference like actions. And here we need to pass a driver, guys. Otherwise, it is not going to work. Just pass the driver here. Now, using the object reference, I'm going to call a command known as drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop command, guys. Here in the drag and drop, I need to provide the source element and target element. Here source is Oslo and target is Norway. So we need to create the web elements for this Oslo and Norway first. Okay. So before providing the web elements here, we have to first create them, right? So Oslo, I'll say Oslo, right? OSLO is equal to driver dot. How to look at this? I'll inspect this Oslo, guys. I'll inspect this Oslo. Okay, it has some ID, guys. Box one is ID. I'll take this ID driver dot find element by ID. That's it. This is a web element for Oslo, and similarly for Norway also, I can create the web element. Right click on the Norway and inspect. Sorry, right click on the Norway and inspect. This Norway has a ID again, box 101. Copy this ID. Here say Norway. Norway is equal to driver dot find element by ID. Provide the ID. That's it. Here I have to provide the source and destination, right? If I have to drag and drop using mouse, have to provide the source and destination where from where I have to drop and where I have to drop. Okay, from where I have to drag and from till where I have to drop. Okay, where I have to drop. That's what. Okay, here I will say Oslo. I have to drag and drop it on Norway. Okay, like this. So actions drag and drop Oslo onto Norway. Okay, that's what I have provided here. And this command is not going to work, guys. If I run this code as it is, this command is not going to work because all the action chain commands, okay, all the action chains commands need to end with dot perform. Okay, I've explained this in one of the previous sessions. All the commands which are related to the action chains need to end with dot perform. Then only they will work. Otherwise, they are not going to work. So let's run this code, guys. Let's see whether the drag and drop will happen or not. Or right click, run this. It should drag Oslo onto Norway, guys. Okay, it has to drag Oslo onto Norway. Okay, drag and drop the Oslo onto the Norway. Let's see. You see, Oslo has been dragged and dropped onto the Norway. Okay, Oslo has been dragged and dropped onto the Norway automatically. So hope guys you understood how to drag and drop using mouse in Selenium Python. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.